Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so right now I'm going to make club sandwich. First of all, we have to fry egg. After egg, so we fry ham a little bit. So before we make club sandwich, the ingredient preparation: egg, you have to fry, and ham, you have to fry as well. This is chicken. Chicken we marinated with salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay, so just we start to fry chicken breast that we marinated with salt and pepper at the moment. Mostly European food, so we don't use cheese. We just use salt and pepper. That enough. Okay, we just grill chicken breast. Just another part, left part. After that, we just spling a little bit. After we spling, we flop. Make chicken breast is more well done. Okay. Yeah, this one we start to fry chicken breast more. Normally chicken breast you cannot use fire more high level. You just use only small level. Make chicken it is well done easily. If you make fire more hot, make chicken breast is burn. When burn it out, so hard to eat. It's no good for health. So better, my opinion, just only 90% of chicken breast well done, and then you can take it out to put it on a preparation with bread and everything. So later I'm going to show you how to make preparation on bread plate and everything. The ingredient of club sandwich just only local salad, tomato. Yeah, that's it. And some people they put shallot in there as well, but some people they like onion as well. But for us, that's okay. We just put only local salad and tomato, ham, and fry egg. After fry egg and chicken. So alright, this is ingredient I was showing you. So later, so my colleague, so she start to preparation. After preparation, I will show you how to make it. Okay. Okay, this is we should slice of shallot. Some people they don't know shallot, they call onion, but actually onion and shallot are different. Shallot, the color is blue, and onion is white. Also, we have to preparation the sauce as well. So our sauce, sweet and sour sauce, and mayonnaise sauce. Okay, now our bread ready. We just toast it at the moment, and we put mayonnaise and sweet and sour sauce, and then we roll it to bread. After bread, we just put local salad in there. Okay, after that we just chop slice of egg. Egg we can put triangle or just put corner here, doesn't matter. And we put chicken. Okay, so we just put egg ready. After that we put shallot and tomato. After tomato, we just put salad more. After that, another rice we put on the top. Some place they put 3 piece of bread, but for us we just put only 2 piece of bread. Okay, and then we just put toothpick a little bit, and then we just chop half. Okay, we just cut, chop, and half and half nicely. And your knife also, you have to be sharp on stone. If you not sharp on stone, so you have to cut sandwich, but our chef, she sharp the knife every day, so she can chop bread more easily. Okay, alright, club sandwich is ready. Looks so beautiful. So enjoy with us. Thank you. Yeah.